My name is Wendy Fleishman, and I am a partner at the law firm of Lieff Cabraser Heimann Bernstein. We represent women across the country who have suffered serious injuries due to complications and side effects from being implanted with trans-vaginal surgical mesh. In June 2012, Ethicon Inc., a unit of Johnson & Johnson and the manufacturer of several widely used transvaginal mesh products sold under the name of Gyna Care, announced that it is taking its transvaginal mesh products off the market. While this is absolutely a step in the right direction, women who have already been harmed by these transvaginal mesh products should be fairly compensated for their injuries. Millions of women have been implanted with transvaginal surgical mesh, also called vaginal mesh or vaginal tape, in order to repair pelvic organ prolapse, POP, or with a mesh used as a bladder sling in the treatment of stress urinary incontinence, SUI. This mesh is often made of polypropylene, a form of plastic mesh. Transvaginal mesh has been linked to a high rate of serious complications. Women have suffered severe pelvic discomfort and pain, as well as having been forced to undergo additional revision surgeries to try to remove the defective mesh. For some, the injuries have been permanent and life-altering. The most common complications include vaginal mesh erosion, where the tissue between the mesh and the lining of the vagina breaks down and the mesh becomes exposed on the surface of the vagina. Vaginal scarring, perforation of organs, vaginal bleeding, chronic infections, contraction or shrinking of the mesh, neuro-muscular problems, and an onset or resurgence of the same urinary problems, such as incontinence. If you or a family member have suffered serious complications from plastic, transvaginal, surgical mesh, vaginal tape, or a bladder sling, Lieff Cabraser can assist you. My law firm is a national plaintiff's law firm that has been recognized by the National Law Journal and U.S. News as one of the nation's top plaintiffs' law firms. We have a team of female attorneys working alongside highly trained nurses who will promptly and confidentially review your claim, advise you of your legal rights, and prosecute your case if appropriate.